Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best countertop ovens that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Black Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. If you're looking for a budget-friendly countertop oven that doesn't skimp on features, this one is a solid choice. With 12 cooking functions like air fry, convection baking, and pizza, it can handle just about any cooking task you throw at it. The French doors add a touch of class and make it easy to access your food without disturbing the oven's temperature. Design-wise, the stainless steel finish is sleek, and the compact dimensions, 15.1 inches times 14.6 width times 12.5 inches, make it perfect for smaller kitchens. While it delivers crispy results with its convection fan, its performance is slightly less powerful than higher-end models, which may result in slightly longer cooking times for larger meals. The Black Decker Crisp and Bake is ideal for those who want versatile cooking on a budget. However, its smaller capacity and somewhat limited durability compared to premium options might be a drawback for heavy users. Overall, this countertop oven is perfect for individuals or small families looking for a balance of functionality and affordability. At number 4, we have the Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M French Door Convection Oven. This is the go-to choice for those who need a high-capacity oven with plenty of cooking flexibility. With a whopping 45-liter capacity, it can handle up to 18 slices of toast or 2 12-inch pizzas at once. The French dual-door design not only saves counter space, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Performance-wise, it comes equipped with convection technology for faster and more even cooking. The rotisserie function is a standout feature, perfect for roasting a whole turkey or chicken to perfection. Its independent temperature knobs allow you to control the top and bottom heating elements separately, giving you precise control over your cooking. However, the manual controls may be less intuitive for users accustomed to digital interfaces. The Elite Gourmet is the ideal choice for large families or those who love hosting gatherings. While its size and versatility are impressive, the lack of a digital display and slightly dated design might be drawbacks for some. If you want a large capacity oven without breaking the bank, this is a great pick. Number 3 on our list is the Emerald Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Packed with 24 cooking presets and a sleek stainless steel exterior, this oven is designed for versatility and convenience. Whether you're air frying, baking, or slow cooking, the dual-speed fan ensures perfect results every time. The elegant French doors open with a single pull, making it easy to access your food. The 26-quart capacity is ideal for families, allowing you to roast a 6-pound chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza effortlessly. The digital touchscreen interface is intuitive and modern, offering precise temperature control up to 500 Fahrenheit. Additionally, the included accessories, such as the rotisserie kit and baking pans, make it easy to get started right out of the box. While the Emerald Lagasse oven delivers excellent performance and value, its slightly higher price point and larger footprint may not be ideal for smaller kitchens. If you're looking for a stylish and versatile oven that can handle daily cooking and entertaining, this is a fantastic option. Coming in at number 2 is the Breville BOV845 BSS Smart Oven Pro. Known for its high performance and premium design, this countertop oven is perfect for home cooks who value precision and versatility. With 10 cooking functions, including toast, bagel, bake, roast, and slow cook, it offers a wide range of options for all your culinary needs. Its Element IQ system uses 5 quartz heating elements to distribute heat evenly and eliminate cold spots, ensuring consistent results. The convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%, making it a great choice for busy households. Plus, the integrated oven light and LCD display make monitoring your cooking progress a breeze. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a brushed stainless steel finish that complements any kitchen. While the Breville Smart Oven Pro is an excellent performer, its mid-sized capacity may not be sufficient for larger families. Additionally, it comes with a slightly higher price tag compared to other ovens in the same category. If you're looking for reliability and precision without going all in on premium features, this oven is a great choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Breville BOV 900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is the ultimate countertop oven for those who want premium features and performance. With 13 cooking functions, including air fry, dehydrate, and slow cook, this oven is a true multitasking powerhouse. The Element IQ system ensures precise heat distribution, while the super convection fan reduces cooking time by up to 30%. The extra-large capacity is perfect for families or avid home cooks, fitting up to 9 slices of bread, a 14-pound turkey, or a 12-cup muffin tray. The integrated oven light and LCD display make it easy to monitor your cooking progress, while the included accessories, such as the pizza pan and mesh basket rack, add even more versatility. The brushed stainless steel finish is sleek and durable, making it a standout addition to any kitchen. While the Breville Air Fryer Pro is on the pricier side, its performance, capacity, and advanced features make it worth every penny for those who want the best. If you're serious about cooking and want an oven that can truly do it all, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.